Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix YouTube screen lag in Google Chrome. To fix your YouTube screen lag in Google Chrome, you could follow these steps. So first of all, what you could do is open up your browser and click the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And next, what you want to do is here, go to settings from the list. As you go to settings, you want to come to privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you want to go to site settings. Under site, you want to scroll down and click on third party cookies. As you do it, so you want to go ahead and click on site allowed to use third party, or you could just go ahead and click on see all sites permissions. And here for the YouTube, you could go ahead and click on the bin icon and delete details. This might be able to solve, however, if the issue still persist on. So from the list, you want to go to system in the left hand side corner of your screen. As you go to system, what here you need to do is you want to click on see system notifications about features. So here you want to click on use graphic accelerations when available. You want to toggle the button and click on relaunch. And that is going to help you out to fix the issue. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.